Hello everyone, my name is Prakash and welcome to my channel Kenya Travel. Today I want to tell about M-Pesa, how to use M-Pesa in Kenya and how to use M-Pesa in Africa because M-Pesa is available in around 8 countries in Africa. So today in this video I'm going to tell today how to register M-Pesa, how to use M-Pesa, how to pay at the shop, all these things step by step I'm going to show you. So continue in this video to last and you get the information. If you are new in on my channel, please subscribe my channel for the more information. And if you want some special information, something, you can text me or you can comment me on the comment section on this video. You can text me on social media. First of all, I want to tell how you get the sim card of Safaricom, because this M-Pesa is registered with Safaricom and Safaricom is giving the service of M-Pesa. So when you coming from anywhere to Kenya, you get the sim card on the airport. Either you can get here locally. Anywhere you get the sim card, first you have to register with M-Pesa. So for the sim card, if you're a foreigner, means they are using ID number. It's like your passport number and using your stamp, the entry stamp in Kenya. Then you get the sim card. So when you're getting the sim card, you tell them to you want to register M-Pesa. So will they do same time to register your M-Pesa? You set your pin for the M-Pesa. That one is mandatory, because of this pin you don't need to share anything. This one like ATM card pin, same. Without that pin you cannot complete any transaction. So remember that pin. And how to put money in your M-Pesa? Just you tell them to you want to put money in M-Pesa. If that one is agent, you give them money and your ID number. They will put money in your M-Pesa. Yeah, even you can go anywhere in Kenya. There is the small agent everywhere. So you go there, you give them your number and money and ID. They will send money to your M-Pesa account. And for registering M-Pesa, there is no need any physical account in like any bank. That's why his number is your account number. That all this transaction going through with numbers. My phone screen. So you can see here this M-Pesa you can use in three way. First of all, you can use the M-Pesa from the SIM service. This one is iPhone. If this one is need to go inside the setting, you will get there. Let me show you. So first you have to go in setting. Then you go there mobile service. You will find here SIM applications. Then you find the Safaricom Plus and M-Pesa. So this M-Pesa going to use from here. So from here you can see the options: send money, withdraw cash, buy airtime, loan and service, leap and M-Pesa, my account. You can go there in my account and you can see if you want to change your pin, you want a mini statement, you want to change language, you want to check balance. So if you want to send money, you touch there send money. Like I will show you. I touch there send money. Then saying enter your phone number. This one is my phone number. Then I press to send, saying to enter amount. Just I put the 10, I checking. So I put the amount. Now saying you tell your M-Pesa pin. So I put their M-Pesa pin. Now she's saying this number to going 10 ceiling. So accept it. Now it's sending back to M-Pesa. Now this sending to enter M-Pesa pin sent to Airtel is name Prakash. Now this one is final transaction. You have to reply with your M-Pesa pin. Then your transaction will complete. You will get the notification. You see, now you get the notification confirm 10 sent to Airtel money. If you're going to touch there is only 2-3 step inside. You go follow the instruction and you will complete the transaction. So withdraw cash is you go any agent, then you get there. There is some credits you put there. Then they will give you money. There is some charges by airtime. You can buy from here your SIM card, airtime, and loan and service. This one is for the loan, and the most things they are using in Kenya, and all the shopping mall everywhere, Lipa and M-Pesa. If you buying something from anywhere, you'll see there they are using paybill or they are using till number. So if they are using paybill, you have to select the paybill. If they are using till number, then you select the buy goods and service. I'm going to show you the second application. You can use this application in internet access, but it's easy to use, and I prefer to use my Safaricom for all those transactions, because here you can see send money, Lipan M-Pesa. The same thing is here. You put there send money, then you see you can put here number, enter amount, and continue. Then you will get the name directly. No need to wait for anything. You can see. You see now it's got here the message, final message, and I put here pin. It will complete the transaction. So I don't want to send. That's why I dismiss this. And Lipan M-Pesa, you can see here these three option. Buy goods, pay bill, and Pochila Bisara. There is three option is same here. So buy goods, you put till number here, enter amount, and continue, and put your pin, M-Pesa pin. It will complete the transaction. Same things is here. Pay bill number. Its pay bill is one thing I tell you. This buy goods is not chargeable, but this pay bill and Pochila Bisara is chargeable. So they are charging some transaction charges. Now here is the another option is the good is you can buy anything, data, call, bundles, SMS bundle, roaming, international roaming, everything you can get here. So I like to use this. Now I tell you the third application how to use M-Pesa. This one is the third application. Now you see if I test their transaction, you see here this Poliza means they are taking loan. This one is not important for you. I'm not going to tell. And more important is here send money, and this pay bill, buy goods, and Pochila Bisara. If you want to send something globally, you can touch there. It's global, and it's global pay. And same thing is going to ask say like if I want to pay bill or buy goods, if I touch buy goods, you will see asking the till numbers. Then they will ask the amount. Then ask the you put their M-Pesa pin, then it will complete the transaction. You will get the notification. So all this way you see here on the withdraw at agent, the same when you go, where you going to put the money to your M-Pesa, the same place you can withdraw money also. So it's very long video, but I think I told all this important information. So is share this video with your friend who want to travel Africa, you want to travel Kenya. We will meet in another video with a new information, new ideas. Bye bye.